Hi guys, today we are doing an experiment and we have built a card that we are going to clone. First, we take a picture of the Pokemon. First, glasses on for safety. Here is clone the Septimal dinosaur. Once again, we take a picture of it, and as you can see, it cloned. Just delete the picture. Deleting the picture now. The first clone of me I'm gonna do is the one that likes to do myself. Goggles down. Hi. I need you to mop the floor and do work. Now take another picture of myself. I need you. Dad, can I go play outside? Dad, I'm home. Oh no!
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys right to bed.
Thanks, my. Whoa! Time for some close. got an idea. Oh, Odie! Go get it, Oats! Go get it! Go get it, Oats! Good boy. Come on. February 17th at the Gila River Arena for Dino Fight Night. Let you know that skull with the crossbones and the flames.
I don't even know if we can make that for it.
Yeah. Check this out, guys. We're here at
Sign up. And there's this one.
we're just doing extreme toy stuff.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys on. But your lack of responsibility is not my problem.
I'm gonna turn off the Xbox.
What?
It's time to go to school. He's coming.
Down for a second.
Well, I guess you could stay home today. It's just, I'm not gonna be here.
Not sick.
Mom, you got fine 2 seconds ago.
Well, just in case I would. Okay, well, I want you to rest today. No messing around, no getting.
Mom, he's not sick.
Cole, you just need to worry about yourself. Now let's go get in the car before. Hey, you make sure to call me if you need anything, okay?
I will, Mom.
All right, let's see what we have. We got in. Oh, confetti cannon, huh? This will come in handy too. Ethan's. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. It's almost showtime.
Great. I wonder what I'm gonna walk into.
What is this? You, good sir. Would you like to be our first? Can you make it to Ethan's fun house?
No, because I'm not going to.
That, because I am smarter. In this corner, that corner, we have the toughest, strongest robot around.
What is that?
Oh, and that, my friend, is Robo-Pay. Robo-Pay is taking an early lead. Your robot can hit me here. Let's get you moving into that fun house.
Uh-oh.
It seems as though...
Nice try, Ethan.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was confetti cannon number 2.
Where's Blaster? Here. Where's that robot?
Because it is quite obvious.
Another victory.
I didn't want that easy. Why did you come get me?
And go through your tricks again? No, I'll be down.
What? Turn.
Oh, Ethan!
R.I.P. Ethan. Picture of the week comes from Strong and Ryan. Look at some wristband, even though check out Ethan's too. The links are below. And we'll see you all next week. Come on. Uh-oh. What a piece of junk.
Are you guys hungry? And spinach for you. I'll be back in a little bit. You better go eat your dinner. If you want to see another video, click down here where we buy sharks on Amazon.